One of the cardinal rules of frugal grocery shopping is to buy in bulk. However, all of the savings you experience from buying in large quantities is lost if your food spoils before you have a chance to eat it. This is where a quality vacuum sealer can save the day. Before we get started with our video detailing the best vacuum sealers, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall vacuum sealer, we have the FoodSaver V4840 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealing System Starter Kit. With its professional stainless steel look, the FoodSaver V4840 not only keeps your food fresher for longer, but it complements just about any kitchen decor, which is a must for an appliance that will live on your counter. The V4840 includes both a standard vacuum sealer with fully automatic operation and a retractable handheld sealer that can be used for canisters, containers, and zipper bags. When not in use, the built-in retractable sealer has a storage spot on top of the unit. Another fun function available with the V4840 is the Rapid Marinate mode, which allows you to marinate your food in minutes instead of hours. FoodSaver claims its device works best with the bags and rolls the company sells, but you can get away with using less expensive alternatives. Regardless of which bags you use, this vacuum sealer will keep your food fresh longer. Vacuum-sealed foods also avoid freezer burn better than your standard Ziploc freezer bags. Expert reviews of the V4840 are almost uniformly positive. Your vacuum sealer gives it high marks because it can be used to seal non-edible products. Cooking Hacks gives a detailed comparison of how the V4840 stacks up against other FoodSaver products and notes that this product is superior because it corrects the problems of older models. In its review, Super Kitchen focuses on how the V4840 compares to the V4880 and concludes the V4840 is better because it is easier to use. Reviewers of this FoodSaver model on Amazon gave it 5 stars 71% of the time. Buyers appreciate that the vacuum sealer gives them the freedom to choose how much air is removed from the food. This is important for when you want to seal soft items like rolls or chips without crushing them in the process. The V4840 can also package liquids without sucking them into the vacuum. That's important because previous models malfunctioned when liquids got into the vacuum. Next up, we have the best vacuum sealer for hunters and fishermen, which goes to the FoodSaver GameSaver Deluxe Vacuum Sealing Kit. FoodSaver created the GameSaver line to handle more difficult sealing jobs. What sets the GameSaver Deluxe apart is its large fan, powerful motor, and the 10-year limited warranty. There are 2 vacuum speeds and 2 seal levels. These features are important for avoiding crushing soft foods. It also comes with 10 pre-cut pouches, 2 bag rolls, a dishwasher-safe drip tray, and an accessory port with an included hose. If you only have one sportsman in the house, that doesn't mean that no one else gets to use the vacuum sealer. The GameSaver Deluxe can also be used to vacuum pack and store your surplus garden vegetables, seal cheese to keep it from molding, and reseal crackers, chips, and other crunchy snacks that tend to go stale otherwise. We looked at several expert reviews of the FoodSaver GameSaver Deluxe, and the overall verdict is that this sealer is a good value for its price. The review site Ratingle liked the GameSaver Deluxe because it was able to handle larger workloads while not being too loud. The Healthy Kitchen Shop appreciated the appliance's intuitive interface and the built-in bag cutter. And the GameSaver earned points from your vacuum sealer for its small footprint and strong sealing powers. Of the more than 800 Amazon buyer reviews for the FoodSaver GameSaver Deluxe, 74% are 5-star reviews. Buyers on Amazon appreciate that the sealer can handle larger items and that it has some weight to it. It weighs 8 pounds, so it doesn't slide around when you use it. One buyer cautioned that you should be careful when vacuum packing liquids, because the moisture may get sucked up into the nozzle and cause the machine to malfunction. Instead, consider freezing liquids in a silicone pan before you seal them. Up next, we have the best vacuum sealer for wet foods, which goes to the FoodSaver V4440 2-in-1 Automatic Vacuum Sealing System. The FoodSaver V4440 is similar to our top choice, the V4840. The biggest differences are that the V4840 is significantly more expensive, and it has a pulse mode. Why is the pulse mode important? It makes it easier for you to seal chips, lettuce, bread, and other soft foods without destroying them. The V4840 is also able to detect wet and dry foods. However, the V4440 lets you input this information, and it has a sleeker design. So if you do not plan on sealing soft foods, and don't mind inputting info manually, you can save some money with the V4840. What are experts saying about the V4440? Cooking Hacks gave it the highest rating for a vacuum sealer because of its flexible, simple-to-operate functions and streamlined countertop design. Healthy Cooking Corner also appreciated the versatility of the V4440 and felt the lower price made it easy to live without the added capabilities of the V4840. Lastly, Vacuum Mania, a site that specializes in all vacuum-based appliances, likes how affordable the V4440 is, but noted that it does not seem to be the best unit for heavy-duty work. Buyers of the V4440 on Amazon are almost uniformly positive in their reviews. In fact, 76% of the 700-plus reviews are 5 stars. Users like that the seals are wide, at about 3/16 of an inch. They also like that you can indicate whether you are sealing wet or dry foods. The biggest negative we found was that the retractable vacuum hose may not retract properly. The vacuum works fine, but you may have to patiently work the hose back into the cabinet. Next, we have the best vacuum sealer on a budget, which goes to the Gourmia GVS 425 7-function vacuum sealer. For the uninitiated, sous vide cooking involves putting your ingredients in a waterproof bag and dropping them in a bath of water heated to a precise temperature. This method is meant to keep the nutrients and juices in the food while cooking your meal to perfection. You can put your ingredients in just about any bag, but a vacuum-sealed bag is the best method. If you're just getting into it, the Gourmia GVS 425 is a popular, low-cost option for sous vide cooking. The GVS 425 comes with a starter kit that features everything you need to begin vacuum packing, including 12-inch wide vacuum bags and rolls. You can set the machine to seal wet, dry, and soft items. The GVS 425 is also unique because you can choose from several design options, each with a different model number, including an upright silver sealer and a low-profile white one. It seems like the food saver sealers get all the attention from the experts, but there are a few professional reviewers of the Gourmia GVS 425 out there. Your Best Kitchen rates it highly for its compact design and variety of sealing modes, but it loses points for the noise it makes. Vacuum Sealers for Food says the GVS 425 gets the job done for a basic model. However, it has trouble with daily use on projects that require it to run for a long time. Best Reviews Guide rated the GVS 425 number 2 on its list of best vacuum sealers for sous vides. Around 73% of the 425-plus Amazon ratings of the Gourmia GVS 425 are 5 stars. Users were impressed with how it was easy to use out of the box. Despite the expert reviews, verified purchasers have commented that they are able to do larger sealing jobs with this model, so results may vary. For our last pick, we have the best vacuum sealer for commercial use, which goes to the Weston Pro 2300 stainless steel vacuum sealer. The Weston Pro 2300 is about twice as expensive as the second priciest vacuum packer on our list. That's because it is designed to last, and with its wide sealing area, it can take on big jobs. With some sealers, you need to allow the machine to cool down after you seal a few bags, but this model has internal cooling fans that keep it from overheating after extended use. Also, the manual controls let you process delicate items without crushing them. Many of the expert review sites have taken the Weston Pro 2300 for a test drive. Top 10 reviews likes its durability, superior suction power, and quality design, but pointed out that its size and lack of a bag cutter were inconvenient. The Healthy Kitchen shop was impressed with the sturdy, stainless steel construction and the variety of control options. Vacuum Sealer Digest rated it one of the best vacuum sealer designs since it has a large mouth that seals bags up to 15 inches wide. There are more than 250 5-star ratings of the Weston Pro 2300 on Amazon. One user created a video showing you how to use the Weston Pro 2300 to seal Mylar bags. For the most part, buyers felt that the added suction power did not justify the high price, and many found the unit to be unwieldy with its 22-pound weight and 15.3 by 23 by 9-inch sprawl. So that sums up our best vacuum sealers. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.